wanyuma Imana irakora ishobora guhindura ibisubizo birimo hano. Senga cyane.
Yes.
Rero aritanga cyane. Afite proje nziza cyane. Twese
Sharon is there.
haguruka nawe bagukomera amashyi.
Can you also stand?
Yes, uriya nawe yari mu bantu bari bafite imishinga myiza.
She had also
Dufite Françoise Isimbi Umuhoza.
Françoise Isimbi Umuhoza.
Muri kwibaza ngo muri aba bakobwa batatu
In these three women,
ni abakozi mu itorero.
they are servant in the
Ubwo
church.
twabasabaga yagomba kuba ari umunyamuryango w'itorero.
The criteria was one part of the
Uri muri
church
famille
in a family
ukora
who works,
uzwi mu madepartement y'itorero.
who is known in departments of the church.
Hari abantu twakuyemo kubera ko tutabazi.
There are some people we removed because we didn't know them.
Mujya mwibuka Yesu avuga ngo si byiza gufata ibiryo by'abana ngo bigaburire.
Jesus says it's
Ntabwo
not good.
ariko mbyise ariko hari ibintu biba byaragenewe abana mu nzu.
There are some people that
Ibi
are
rero
for
twabigenewe abanyetorero.
children in the church.
Yes, muri aba bakobwa batatu rero
These three women,
murumva ari nde watsinze?
who has won?
Ngiye gusaba Elda Muhirwa.
Elder Muhirwa.
Iyi envelope izwi n'abantu bakeya ikirimo.
This envelope is known by a few people.
Aha, ndasaba Reverend Kado gutambuka.
Reverend Kado also to
Niwe
come.
ugiye gutanga iyo check.
He's going to give that
Nitumara
check
kumenya uwatsinze arahagarara hari inyuma.
after knowing who won.
Nitumara gusoma izina Elda Muhirwa namara gusoma izina ririmo hano.
Elder Muhirwa will read the name.
Uwo muntu aratambuka tumukomera amashyi.
That person will come once we clap for them.
Tumukomera amashyi.
We are going to clap for them.
Ariko twabasabye bagatambuka abantu batatu.
Can we ask them three to come?
Okay. Mwabyanze reka tubireke. Amahitamo y'abantu benshi abaye ko duhitamo watsinze gusa.
They will one who won will be the one to come.
Dutuze. Ibi bintu birimo umwuka wera nta
This
kibazo
thing
kibirimo.
has the Holy Spirit.
Elda Muhirwa
Elder Muhirwa will
Ha.
help us.
agiye kudufungurira tubwire uwabaye wa mbere ni uri buhembwe.
Tell us the winner.
Uwatsinze muri kategori ya gatatu
Category 3 winner
ni
is
nta kazi ki mwaduteguriye. Ni Françoise Isimbi Umuhoza. Amashi menshi.
so much hand
Amashi,
claps.
amashi.
So much hand claps.
Urahagarara hano.
You are going to stand here.
Hano aho kamera kubona
You can
neza.
stand in the middle.
Reverend Kado agiye kumugerageza.
Reverend Kado will give this.
Wow, amashyi menshi cyane.
So much hand claps.
Oh. Françoise afite umushinga mwiza.
Françoise has a wonderful
Umwaka
project.
utaha tuzabereka amashusho y'ibyo yatubwiye ko azakora
Next year we will show you
kandi
evidence.
yatweretse ko bishoboka
It was possible as
kandi
she said.
birimo ivugabutumwa.
And there is also
Ibyo ashaka
evangelism. What she wants to do,
Yaratubwiye ngo arashaka gukora iriba
she wants to do a well,
rivomerera abantu ariko rivuga ubutumwa.
to speak evangelism, but
Iryo riba
also
ngo
give
rimeze nka
water.
rimwe Yesu yahuriyeho na wa mugore.
Like that one of the
Waramubwira ngo uyu
Samaritan
munsi
woman and Jesus.
waruje kuvoma amazi ariko uyu munsi ndaguha amazi y'ubugingo.
Jesus said you are
Nawe
getting
arifuza ko
more
abantu
than
bazaza
water.
baje kuvoma amazi
People will
asanzwe
come and get water.
akabaha amazi y'ubugingo bagataha
She
bakijijwe.
will give them the
Mumukomera amashyi
water.
cyane. Congratulations. Wow. Yes. Judges, muze dufate ifoto nawe nibyo ashaka.
Judges also might come.
Wow, ibintu ni byiza. Tubikomera amashyi cyane. Yes, dushigikirane rwose ni byiza.
Support
Tugiye
one
ku yindi
another.
kategori.
In the other category,
Tugiye muri kategori ya kabiri.
the second category,
Utsinda muri iyi kategori
To win in this category,
arahembwa miliyoni enye.
we'll get 4 million.
Aha, twari dufitemo abantu bane.
We had these 3 people.
Nabo kandi ni abakobwa tubakomera amashyi.
Job.
Abahungu rwose mwihagarareho kuko mu applications twari dufite abahungu ni bake pe.
We didn't have many men in our application.
Kamikazi Queen Raisa arahari?
Kamikazi Queen Raisa.
Arahari? Ntawe ndi kubona? Yes. Dufitemo Ingabire Sifa Joyce.
Ingabire Sifa Joyce.
Tukagiramo Anne Marie Byukusenge.
Anne Marie.
Numu Joyous, nahaguruke Joyous nabo bamukomera amashyi ko yatinyutse kuza guharanira. Yes, na Uwamahoro Aline.
Uwamahoro Aline.
Sinzi ko Uwamahoro Aline arahari. Aha. Ngiye gusaba.
I will ask.
Iyi kategori ndasaba Emile. Emile arahari? Gira uwo nsanga?
I will ask Emile.
Ntabwo ahari? Yes. Ndasaba Pastor Ben.
I will ask Pastor Ben
mbere.
to be the one to help us.
Aha. Nindangiza ndasaba Reverend Nathan wagombaga gutanga check ariko ntabwo ahari. Turifashisha ndera shaka gutekereza Edwin. Admin wacu mukomera amashyi cyane Pastor Edwin.
Help us give the check.
Yes. Aha. Pastor Ben agiye kudusomera.
Pastor Ben will read for us.
Umuntu wo muri kategori ya kabiri.
Someone in this category.
Ugiye gutsindira miliyoni enye.
To win 4M.
Hagati y'abakobwa beza.
Between these
Murakeka ari uwuhe muri aba bakobwa?
Who do you think will win?
Yes, reka tubyumve Pastor bitubwira.
Okay. Harya mwavuze ko Joyous ari inde?
Who is the joyous person?
Inde? Nimuhaguruke rero. Okay, watsinze muri iyi kategori ni Byukusenge Anne Marie.
Wow, congratulations. Anne Marie atambuke hano imbere. Yes. Wow, dukoma amashyi menshi cyane.
Let's clap our hands.
Yes, mujye hari hagati. Anne Marie n'umwana mutoya.
Is a young lady.
Afite umuhamagaro wo kudoda.
As a calling of
asanzwe abikora ariko atagira ibikoresho.
Usually didn't have
yatubwiye ko yifuza asanzwe akorera Joyous.
She usually works for Joyous.
Amakwaya akora mu concert. Anne Marie ni ugiye kuzajya bakorera.
She makes clothes.
Agiye kubona ibikoresho ama uniform.
She will get uniform.
Ubuzima bwe bugiye guhinduka.
Her life is going to change.
Kandi avuga ubutumwa. Mukomere Anne Marie amashyi menshi cyane. Yes. Congratulations Anne Marie. Joyous, mwarakoze kubw'umurimo mwiza.
Thank you, Joyous.
Murabona ko imbuto z'umurimo mukora murazibona. Yes, yamanuka tugakomeza.
We can continue.
Dufite kategori yindi iri special.
We had a special category.
Mudukomera amashyi menshi kuko turasa neza. Yes. Wow. Birashimishije ko mwishimana nawe.
It's so glad, it's so good for them to join with them. The other category
ni irashaka gutera inkunga aba urubyiruko abantu batatu.
We want to support 3 people.
Abana bari muri sociale bari barabuze uburyo biga kaminuza.
People who didn't have a way to pay the university school fees.
Hari miliyoni 2 n'igice.
We have 2M.
Zizabafasha kujya mu ishuri.
That will help them to go to school.
Abakene bize barangiza secondaire barabazi muri social.
They studied and did not go to the university.
Ngo barahari. baratambuka imbere. Iyi ni impano ba sharing.
This is the time to share.
Ibyo twavuze mbere ntabwo twabihinduye. Iyi kategori abantu benshi banze kuyapplyingamo kuko bumvaga ari make.
People didn't want to apply in this category.
Dusanga rero ahubwo hari ab'Imana yari yarabiteganyirije.
So we found that people were
hari
actually
abana
blessed by
basenze
God.
bari barabuze ko bajya kwiga.
There are some people who wanted to go to
Imana
school.
ibuza abantu kuapplyinga muri iyi kategori
God didn't want
kugira
people
ngo
to
abangaba
apply in
bajye
this
kwiga.
category for
Muri
them
ubu
to go
ukuntu
to
Imana
school.
ikora mukoma amashyi menshi cyane kubw'icyo kintu. Yes, amazina yabo si yes. Telefone ntabwo nyifite, sorry. Uraza batubwira Elda Muhirwe.
They are going to tell us their names.
Baratambuka hano imbere.
They are going to step forward.
Yes. Agiye kudusomera amazina yabo.
They are going to read their names.
Turasaba Bishop Mugogo.
We want to ask Bishop Mugogo.
Araza abari gutanga iyi sheke kuri abo bana kugira ngo
You will be
dufate
the
ifoto.
one to give the check to these people.
ya uwa mbere yitwa Uwiduhaye Clementine.
The first one is Clementine.
Yatambuka. Uwa kabiri yitwa Umuhozawase Sandrine.
The second one is Umuhozawase Sandrine.
Uwa gatatu yitwa Brice Kabandana.
The other one is Brice Kabandana.
Uwa kane yitwa Rusizana Ndizeye Fidel.
The other one is Rusizana Ndizeye Fidel.
Abahagararira abandi.
Wow, abangaba bo mwababonye.
You have seen these people.
Nabo babaye abatsinze mu buryo batigeze bahatana ariko Imana yo yabonye ko ari bagomba kujya mu ishuri.
They have won without competing. They are using for school fees.
Bishop agiye kudufasha gutanga iyi mpano. Dore ni mugenzi
will
wabo
help
araje
us.
nawe. Yes, mwahagarara neza iyo foto ikaboneka.
This picture should be seen.
Yes, muzenguruke aje hagati. Iyo foto ifatwe rwose.
This picture can be seen.
Wow, tubikomera amashyi ibintu ni byiza. Bishop hari jambo ashaka kuvuga kuri iki.
Bishop wants to say something about this.
Ya ntabwo mfata umwanya munini.
I won't take so much time.
Wenda ndaza kuvuga ku byiza impano zose.
I will speak about this later.
Ariko kuri iyi kategori
For this category,
yanditseho $2,500,000.
it's 2.5 M.
So urusengero ruzatopinga up 500
The church will give 500 more
yiyongera
to top up on this amount.
kubera yuko Brice ntiyari muri iyo kategori.
Brice was not in this category,
Ariko n'umu interpreter hano mu
but
rusengero.
he's an interpreter in this church.
Initially hari umwana wo mu baririmbyi twagomba gushiramo.
There is a person from Joyous Melody we are going to put,
Ariko tuganire dusanga bimeze neza ku ruhande rwiwe.
but she was okay when we conversed with her.
Nta kibazo cyo kwishura afite.
She didn't have issues to pay,
Ubwo rero biba ngombwa yuko dufata Brice.
so we are taking Brice instead.
Ni byiza twabikomera Imana amashi.
It is wonderful.
Reka nta foto nta cyabaye.
We are
Bishop
taking
nawe
the
arashaka
picture.
kujya muri iyi foto. Iyi mpano ntabwo isanzwe, iyi kategori ntabwo isanzwe, twahise special category
This is
ngiyi
a
kuko
special
murabona ko ari
category.
special.
This is a
Yes,
special
tubakomera amashyi
category.
menshi cyane.
Let us clap for them.
Tugiye muri finale sasa.
We are in the finals now.
Ibintu bigiye kuba amabuye, bigiye gukomera.
These things are getting intense.
Mube tayari.
Be
Iyi
ready.
kategori
This category,
yarimo fight ikomeye.
it was with so much fight.
Byaratugoye.
It was hard.
Kugeza mu gitondo twari tutarumvikana.
In the morning, we still didn't want to
Tukirimo
agree.
tubyevaliwa tureba ngo ninde biragenda
We
gute.
were-
Aba IT ama application ngo yadufasha kujya duhuza abantu bafite imodoka n'abafite amagaraje.
Some are going to develop
Ibintu udashobora kumva
application
nawe ubwawe.
in this
Harimo
category.
abafite amaproje ya irrigation yo muri agriculture ateye ubwoba.
Irrigation projects were there.
Harimo ashaka gukora ama house ya fashion
Fashion houses.
n'ibindi byinshi ndashobora kwibuka byose.
This was wonderful.
Kandi bose ni abahanga
They are all
ariko bose
intelligent,
ntabwo batsinda.
but not all of
Uza
them
gutsinda
won.
muze kumufelicita
Celebrate the winner
kuko n'umwiza mu beza.
because he's a good among the best.
Ndasaba Mugwema Wilson gutambuka.
Mu- Mu-
Mukomere Wilson amashyi cyane. N'umuterankunga w'ibihe byose w'urubyiruko.
Wilson, let
Ajya
him start.
dushyigikira n'urubyiruko muri twe kandi ajya akora ibintu byinshi cyane.
He helps us a lot.
Yes, Wilson mukomere amashyi. Azi no kwambara akaberwa.
Wilson,
Hari abantu
come
batazi
forward.
kwambara ariko we ibyo yarabikemuye. Aha. Yes, agiye kudufasha gusoma.
Will help us read
Aha, uwatsinze muri iyi kategori.
the winner of this category.
turasaba bishop na madamu gutambukana imbere.
Bishop and Mama Bishop to step
Mubakomera
forward.
amashyi ariko mwabonye ukuntu basa neza.
Can you clap for them?
Bajyanishije imyenda yabo n'uyireba urabona ko bajyanishije n'abasirimu
They
rwose.
have coordinated their clothes.
Mubakomera amashyi.
Clap for them.
Urumva nawe ntabwo ufite kuvuga umuntu. Yes. Agiye kutubwira uwatsinze muri kategori ugiye guhembwa $5,000,000.
Tell us the winner of 5M.
Abapiganwe mwitegura buri wese abasenga amasengesho ya nyuma.
People be ready.
Avuga ngo Mana ntiyaba njyewe.
Lord, make it be me.
N'umunota wa nyuma Imana irakora ishobora guhindura ibisubizo birimo hano. Senga cyane.
Yes ashimwe. Iyi kategori iragoye.
This is a heavy category.
Kubwanjye nahita mbera nkavuga ibitari hano. Kubera ko abenshi bari muri kabine.
These people are in the media team.
Kandi n'abantu twakoranye abenshi nige wabatoje.
They are my friends.
So ariko kubera ko tugomba gutrustinga icyo abajudges bavuze.
For us to trust the decision of the judge.
Kandi n'abandi bose imishinga yari myiza.
Even others the projects were good.
Hari uwatsinze.
There is a winner.
Maybe ubutaha nabo bazatsinda.
Next time some others could win.
So uwatsinze muri category.
The winner of this category.
Murakeka ko ari nde? So uwatsinze yitwa Ndungutse Claude.
Ndungutse Claude, amashyi menshi. Ni umukozi hano mu itorero aritanga cyane. Afite projet nziza cyane. Twese rwose twishime ku bwa Ndungutse. Ndungutse atambuka rwose. Woo! Yes! Media team. Wow, murakoze cyane. Reka dusaba baje kumushyigikira bamanuke. Ndungutse aze hano hagati ya Bishop na Mama Bishop. Wow. Ikintu kimwe twabonye ntawe ujya ukorera Imana ngo imuhemukire. Ndungutse yitanze muri uyu murimo w'Imana. Yes. Si ubwitange gusa twagendeyeho, afite projet nziza.
He has a wonderful project.
Arashaka gukora, yahagarara gato, ashaka gukora business yo gucuruza ubuki no kuproducinga.
He want to produce honey and
Asanzwe
sell it.
abikora.
He usually does it.
Tuzamubera abakiriya.
We will be
Ndashaka ko twese
clients.
tuzaba abambere kumuhera abakiriya.
We will be clients for
Ubuzima
him.
bwe buhinduka. Umwaka utaha muri Joshua tuzagarara hano aduha ubuhamya bw'ibyo Imana
Let
yakoze.
his life change.
Yes. Amashyi menshi kuri Ndungutse. Yes, turaza gucelebra.
We will celebrate later.
Dukomere Imana amashyi aba judges. Imana ibahe umugisha.
Thank you so much. May God bless you.
Nta rindi jambo rirenze iryo.
I don't have any
Iyo
other
riza
word.
kuba twari kurivuga.
I would say another word if I had it.
Ariko iryo rirahagije ngo mwarakoze Imana ibahe
But
umugisha.
to say thank you, that is enough.
Reka dusabe Bishop Mugogo
Let us ask Bishop Mugogo
atambuke.
to come forward.
Dufite impano ye kumushimira.
We have a gift to say thank you.
Bishop aranyemera tubikora ibi bintu ndabizi nta kibazo.
Bishop will allow me to do this.
Yes. Ariko ndamusaba Bishop aze abari wimushikiriza nubwo ari iyi team.
I will ask Bishop to be the one
Na
to give it
madame
to him
bahaguruke.
and the spouse to
Mu
come
izina
forward.
ry'urubyiruko turagushimiye Bishop Mugogo.
We thank you, Bishop Mugogo.
Watubereye umugisha.
You've been a blessing.
Warakoze kutwitaba.
Thank you for hearing our call.
Nusubira mu rugo uzabwira family yawe ko urubyiruko rwa Foursquare rwagushimiye buri mu wakoze.
Greet your family when you get
Reka
home.
bamuhe iyo mpano.
Let them give him
Yigire
the
imbere
gift.
hano iyo foto ifatwe.
Let that picture be taken.
Yes. Namwe muri background y'iyo foto.
Others also in the background of the picture.
Yes, indi mpano dufite.
Another gift we have.
Yeah, arakoze cyane dufite impano ya Pastor Sengo
Of Pastor Sengo.
Na Madamu Haguruke.
And
Muwakomera amashyi nabo batubereye umugisha.
They've been a blessing.
Mwatambuka.
They can also
Mwarakoze
step
cyane
forward.
kubana natwe muri iki giterane.
Thank you so much for being with us in the conference.
Mwatubereye umugisha.
You've been a blessing.
Imana ibahe umugisha.
May God bless you.
Reka nsabe Reverend Kado.
Let me ask Reverend Kado.
Bishop na Madamu basubira, Imana ibahe umugisha.
Bishop can go back to their seats.
Yes. Na Madamu watambuke. Reverend arajya hariya kuri ya ruhande.
Reverend Kado and the spouse.
Abadamu bahinduranye niko bavuze ngo niyo protocol. Pastor Sengo. Yes. Mwarakoze cyane kutubera umugisha muri iki giterane.
Thank you so much, you were a blessing.
Imana ibahe umugisha kandi namwe nimugere iyo mutuye muzaba dushimirira.
Greet your family when you reach also. May
Reka
God bless
tusabe
you.
famille ya Bea na Ndutira batambuke.
We'll ask family of Bea and Dutira to come forward.
Nabo twabageneye impano kubera ko batwitabye bakatubera umugisha.
We have a gift for them as well.
Yes. Mwigire hagati.
They can go.
Pastor Ben na Madame Chance mutambuke.
Pastor Ben and Chance can be the one to give the gift.
Yes, nibaze badufasha gutangira impano.
Let them help us to give
N'abaririmbyi
the gift.
n'amakuple y'abaririmbyi n'abacuranzi.
Couples of singers and musicians. Shaka as well can step forward.
Mukoma amashyi
Can you
kubw'impano
clap your
ya
hands
Shaka.
for him?
Twaramukunze nawe.
We've loved him so
Aha
much.
nawe hazabe mu rugo igihe cyose uzumva wadusura ni karibu.
Please visit us
Elda Muhirwa
always.
na Madamu batambuke.
Elda Muhirwa and the spouse come forward
Yes, nibaze badufasha gutanga iyi impano.
to help us give this gift.
Ntabwo turi butange nyinshi cyane.
We won't give many.
Yes, dukoma amashyi ku bwa Shaka.
Let us clap for Shaka.
Warakoze kutubera umugisha.
Thank you so much for being a blessing.
Elizabeth yaje mu giterane nawe natambuke.
Elizabeth
Tumuri
as well.
organizing umwete yagize.
She had the zeal.
Umuntu nakurusha ikintu uzamushimire.
When someone does well,
Ninde
thank
muri mwe ari
them.
watega indege ngo ajye muri Kenya mu giterane.
Not everyone
Atari
take a plane to
umuspeaker akaza mu
Kenya
giterane.
and just come to
Elizabeth uri umuntu
attend.
udasanzweho. Warakoze.
A special person.
Reka nsabe nde. Pastor Edwin.
Let me ask Pastor Edwin.
Yes. Is your wife around? Okay. Arabikora wenyine nta kibazo. Pastor Edwin
Pastor Edwin to give the gift.
nadushikiriza iyo mpano. Elizabeth warakoze, umuryango wawe
Elizabeth,
uzawushimire ko wemeye kuza
Thank
kubana
you.
natwe mu giterane.
Greet your family when you go back.
Yes, Imana ibahe umugisha.
May God bless you.
Dufite impano y'abantu bacu hano muri church.
We have another gift for people in the church.
Turashaka gushimira famiye zose zarakoze, twarabashimiye.
All the families worked,
Ariko hari famiye imwe y'indashikirwa
but there is one family in
yabaye
particular
umuterankunga w'iki giterane.
who supported this
Murayizi?
conference. Do you know it?
Ebenezer family, tuyikomera amashyi cyane.
Ebenezer family.
Reka dusaba abayobozi bayo, Pere na Mere na Joshua n'abanyamuryango bake bashoboka baze tubashimire.
Their leaders and some member can come
N'izindi
forward.
famiye turacyafite ibindi biterane, ndabizi ko butaha izindi tuzazishimira nazo.
We will thank other
Ariko iyi ngiyi
families
ihagarariye
later.
amafamiye yose yo muri
But
Foursquare.
this is in particular
Ebenezer
today.
family.
Ebenezer family.
Aba bantu reka tubivuge ntibiteye isoni. Baduhaye miliyoni n'ibihumbi 800 muri iki
They gave
giterane.
us 1.8
Ni abasore n'inkumi
M.
batoya.
They are wonderful young people.
Chris ari he? Madamu we nazi. Nawe ndabizi ko ari aba Ebenezer. Muhagarare neza aba Ebenezer.
Ebenezer family.
Iyi mpano ndashaka ko timu yacu ari yitanga.
Our team will be the one to give this gift.
Ko mutakoze umurongo, ndashaka ko mukora umurongo mwese Ebenezer mugaragare mu ifoto. Ntiyagire umuntu ujye inyuma y'abandi.
Let them all make a line.
Yes. By'umwihariko bienvenue nk'umu Joshua.
Bienvenue is the
Umumobilisateur
Joshua,
mwiza wa famille.
a wonderful coordinator.
Yes, nta mpano twabona tubaha ariko dore ikimenyetso cy'ishimwe ko
We just want
mwabaye
to give
famille
you
nziza.
this certificate that you
Hari
are a
abandi
wonderful
bakiza.
family. Others are coming.
Yes, n'abandi mubirebereho muzabe nka Ebenezer.
Others be like Ebenezer.
Atari mu gikorwa gusa cy'ibitera n'ibindi bikorwa bitandukanye.
Not only conferences but other activities.
Yes. Reka iyo foto tuyifate na
Let's take
Ebenezer
this
family.
picture with Ebenezer
Mwakomera
family.
amashyi andi mafamiye.
Clap your hands for them.
Iyo biza kuba ari famiye ya Bishop mwari kuvuga ngo nuko harimo Bishop.
You would say it is because
Ariko
there is
nshimye ko ari
bishop.
famiye banza nta n'umushumba ubamo.
There is no
Hari
pastor
umushumba mugiramo?
there.
Yes. Mwarakoze cyane, Imana ibahe umugisha cyane.
Thank you so much. May God bless.